We know that things in the classroom don't always go as planned, so we wanted to leave you with some additional resources should you need them. If at any point you get stuck, we recommend that you check out our knowledge base, the Ford Education Help Center. This is the hub for all of our FAQs, help guides, and troubleshooting tips during your Climate Action Kit journey. This is also where you can submit a support ticket if you can't find the information that you're looking for. We also recommend bookmarking this onboarding course to keep it handy should you need to review anything we went over today. If you're brand new to using the Microbit or MakeCode, you can check out our professional development course library for more in-depth guides on these tools for teachers. We'd also recommend Microbit's online resources for intro activities and basic guides for getting started with the Microbit. And lastly, we recommend that you follow us at ForwardEDU on social media to stay up to date with all the new resources and content that we'll be releasing. That's where you'll find any announcements about events and upcoming webinars that you can join. And of course, the Ford Education team is always here to help. You can contact us via email or by visiting our website using the chat function on the bottom right.